Guys, we got a package from GNH Mart Surabaya Kota. This should be a clip holder, handphones and action cam in the chest with clip for GoPro or Xiaomi Yi. One pieces. The packages is good condition. This is the items. This is the prices. This is every price like that, and this is the things. Let's see the live view. Should be the package is include 5 part of this. This is how to clip in Japan. Powerful spring. You can clip in your backpack, so the camera will see what you see. Okay, let's see inside that. First, like before, let's find the weak point. This is the weakest point, I think. The courier is so fast. I very appreciate that. I make a fault. This is not the weakest point. The point should be on top. This one. Yes, this is the right things. This is the right way. Okay. They double the package. It's extra safe. Then they open here. Oh, wow, so long. Okay, this is the items. Well. Wow. First, you get the bridge adapter. Bridge adapter is like this. Next, you can find a phone holder. And this is the long screw. And you have a backpack clip. And this is a wedge. Yeah, this is a wedge. Wedge for tightening. This is the backpack clip. This is brand new. It smells good. Oh, it's so tight. Oh, so hard. See closely how it works. Okay, the bridge connector is for here. Then put here. See? Like this. You can put here and put the screw, long screw. To tightening. Like that. And this is the phone holder. Wow, so good condition. The package is so tight. This is phone holder. Oh, this is soft, rather soft. And you can clip the phone holder with this. And clip on there, and this is the screw in here. Put the screw, and this is for the tightening, like that. Okay, you'll clip it in your chest, and your phone will be recording like this. Will be recording. What do you see? Wow, very nice, awesome. So this is it. This all the things. Okay, it's the items. Thank you for watching.